Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The renowned Bavarian automaker is making a major entry into the world of luxury recreational vehicles with the 2026 BMW Motorhome Royal Class. Although it is presently only in the realm of conjecture and well-informed predictions, this potential car is expected to exhibit the distinctive qualities that are associated with the BMW brand: elegant design, cutting-edge engineering, and a dedication to providing an unmatched driving and living experience. The 2026 BMW Camper Royal Class is expected to have an exterior that smoothly combines the functional needs of a luxury camper with BMW's modern design language. One could expect streamlined, aerodynamic designs, possibly influenced by BMW's premium SUV and sedan models. Large panoramic windows would probably be a crucial component, providing residents with sweeping views of the surroundings and optimizing natural light in the living area. Using high-quality materials, including composite panels and lightweight metals, may improve fuel efficiency and structural integrity. The car's high-end heritage would be further highlighted by thoughtful design features like integrated lighting systems and discreetly labeled accents. The 2026 BMW Motorhome Royal Class is anticipated to have a power plant worthy of its opulent status behind its sculpted facade. This might entail a high-performance yet elegant diesel or even a hybrid drivetrain that provides enough power for smooth long-distance driving and traversing a variety of terrains. For a car of size, BMW's well-known chassis engineering would probably result in outstanding handling qualities that prioritize stability and ride comfort. The integration of cutting-edge driver assistance systems, similar to those in BMW's premium cars, would surely improve driver safety and convenience. The 2026 BMW Motorhome Royal Class's inside is where the Royal Class moniker would really shine. Imagine a finely designed living area that uses the best natural materials, such excellent leather, gorgeous wood veneers, and custom metal trim. Spaciousness and functionality would probably be given top priority in the layout, with the possibility of implementing creative design elements to optimize living and storage spaces. Standard features would include a gourmet kitchen that is completely stocked, an opulent bathroom with top-notch fixtures, and a cozy sleeping space. Modern infotainment systems, smart home automation features, and advanced climate management would all be smoothly linked with other cutting-edge technologies. A mobile haven for discriminating tourists, the general atmosphere would be one of subtle elegance and sophisticated comfort. The premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and prestigious BMW name would all be reflected in the expected price range. The idea of a BMW engineered and built motorhome in the Royal Class suggests a vehicle ready to redefine the standards of luxury travel and create a new bar in the high-end RV industry, even though specifics are still up in the air. A clientele used to the unwavering quality and prestige associated with the BMW name may be drawn to the debut of such a vehicle, which might bring a new level of elegance and performance to the motorhome market.